In today's interconnected digital landscape, the need for safeguarding our digital world has never been more critical. It's a world filled with challenges and threats, but it's also a world that offers immense opportunities. Here are 5 compelling and irresistible reasons why you should embark on an exciting journey in digital forensics. Reason 1. Unprecedented demand. Picture this. As you step into the realm of digital forensics, you become an indispensable figure in the fight against cybercrime. The world is witnessing an alarming surge in digital threats, from data breaches to cybercriminal activities. Your skills will be the sought-after shield that protects individuals, organizations, and even nations from these threats. The demand for digital forensics experts is skyrocketing, ensuring a world of opportunities awaits you. Reason 2. Be the change maker. Digital forensics professionals are the unsung heroes behind the scenes. Your work isn't just about solving puzzles. It's about bringing criminals to justice and ensuring that the innocent are protected. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your efforts are instrumental in upholding justice and maintaining a safer digital environment for all. By choosing this career path, you become a true change maker. Reason 3. The intellectual odyssey. Every day in digital forensics is a captivating intellectual challenge. It's a world where you unravel mysteries, decode encrypted secrets, and outsmart cyber criminals. Your analytical prowess will be your sword, cutting through the darkest digital threats. It's a journey that promises constant learning and engagement, perfect for those who crave intellectual stimulation. Reason 4. Fortress of job security. In a world where technology reigns supreme, digital forensics professionals are the pillars of job security. As long as there are computers and the internet, your expertise will be in high demand. You'll enjoy a career that provides stability and security, even in the face of a constantly evolving digital landscape. Reason 5. Collaboration and synergy. Digital forensics is a realm where collaboration and teamwork are the cornerstones of success. You'll work hand in hand with law enforcement agencies, IT experts, and legal teams to tackle complex cases. It's a dynamic, collaborative, and rewarding environment that fosters personal and professional growth. So, whether you're driven by the noble cause of protecting the digital world, thrive on intellectual challenges, or seek a fulfilling career with unwavering job security, digital forensics is the path that calls out to you. Join the ranks of those who stand at the forefront of the digital battlefield, guarding our digital future. The world is in dire need of digital forensics experts like you. Embrace the power of this career, and together, let's shape a safer and more secure digital world.